Okay, guys, so we're looking on number 9. So the problem is 2a plus c. So what we're going to do, let me get this right. So 2 times 5 and 9. Now, I'm not using the pointy brackets. It's because my brackets tend to look like 7s. And I want us all to be able to read my handwriting. So, and then -3 and -6. So first here, we're going to distribute the 2. We'll cover that up. Okay, so we get 10 and 18 plus a -3 and a -6. And now we just add the x's. So we're going to get 7 and 12, right? Okay, I'm going to try to do, oh, not too shabby. Not too bad. You see, that tends to mess me up. Okay, so then number 10 is -4b minus a. Okay, so -4, and what's my b value? -2 and 1 minus an a, which is 5 and 9. Okay, so again, distribute. Let's see. So we're going to get 8 and -4. Now, what I would suggest, we're going to distribute that negative and make it a plus. This way we don't drop or forget our negatives, because if you're like me, I forget them a lot. Okay, so then 8 minus 5 is what, 3? And then -4 plus -9 is -13. So 3 and yes, noises do help make a good problem. Okay. Now 11. So now this is going to be -3c plus b. Okay. So -3 times c, which was -3, -6, plus b, which is -2 and 1. Distribute. Please be careful of those negatives, because we all know how we all are for those negatives. And then 18, and then plus -2 and 1. Okay. Now add our x's. So we're going to get 7 and then 19. Okay, or 19. Okay. And that's how you do those sets of questions. Okay, so let's see. Now, number 12 is component form. So we have 2 ordered pairs. So that's the initial. And then here is the terminal. Label these x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, the formula is going to be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. Okay, so here we go. So this will be -8 minus 2, and then 4 minus 6. So my final answer here is going to be -10 and -2. Okay. Don't you like it when math is just so simple? So -3 and -4. And then, I lost my spot. And then 1 and -5. Again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So 1 minus a -3. Oopsies. And then a -5. I think I have way too many parentheses there. Minus a -4. Whoops. Okay, and so that's just going to be what? 1, that's a plus, so we're going to get a 4, and then a -1. Okay, and these also should be in these little pointy brackets, but I forget. Y'all know my issues with the pointy brackets. And that's how we're going to write in component form. Okay, next. Number 14. whoops, there we go. Number 14, the modulus. This is, remember, the same thing as magnitude. So all you're going to do here is do a negative 11 squared plus 7 squared. Put that in the calculator, and I got 13.04. Okay. 15, 9 minus 12i. Again, the same thing. Just remember, please do not put that I in. And you've got to put parentheses around these negatives, because if you don't, especially in this particular problem, you're going to get an error. Okay, and I got like 15.0. And 16 is negative 4 minus 7i. So negative 4, squared, plus a negative 7 squared. And again, put that in, and I got an 8.06 or 8.1. Okay, I hope this has helped you so far. I'll see you in the next video.